Have you ever hired a local service and just instantly regretted it? Yeah, I think we've all been there. Well, today we're going to crack the code on trust. We're going to look at a real company's website to find those hidden signals that separate the real pros from, well, everyone else. So you can hire with total confidence next time. It all kicks off with that same old search, right? You need someone to help out, maybe around the house, maybe at the office, but finding the right person can feel like a total gamble. You know that feeling. You're just scrolling and scrolling through what feels like 100 different websites, and you're trying to figure out, okay, who's actually professional, who's going to show up on time, who isn't going to be a complete nightmare to deal with. It's that moment of anxiety we all want to skip. So that's the real question, isn't it? Trust isn't just some vague gut feeling. It's actually built on really clear, identifiable signals. And you know what? Once you know what to look for, you can spot a solid company from a mile away. So let's break down what those signals actually are. To do this, we're going to use a case study. We're looking at a local business, Red Apple Cleaning. We're going to dive into their website and see exactly how they position themselves as the answer to that big search for a trustworthy service. So right out of the gate, they hit you with this really powerful promise. They're saying this isn't just about getting things clean, it's about reliability and a satisfaction guarantee. This is their whole pitch, the very foundation of the trust they are trying to build with you. Now take a look at this. They don't claim to do everything under the sun, do they? We see a really specific list: commercial, move-in/move-out, deep cleaning. And that right there, that's our first huge clue. Specialization signals expertise. A company that knows exactly what it's good at is usually way more professional than a jack of all trades. Okay, so we know what they do, but that's only half the story. Now we need to get into the why. Why should you choose them? Let's deconstruct the specific claims they're making to earn your business. And here they are, laid out for us. These 5 points, they aren't just random features. No, each one is a carefully chosen trust signal that's designed to tackle a specific worry you might have as a customer. Let's zoom in on a couple of the most powerful ones. Let's start with locally owned. Why is that such a big deal? Well, you could call it the neighbor effect. It immediately makes you think of accountability, of community pride. The message here is, hey, we're your neighbors. Our reputation in this town means everything to us. That feels a whole lot different than some faceless national corporation, doesn't it? And this is a really smart move. They connect trusted experts and a professional team to something super concrete. Their staff is background checked and highly trained. Think about it. For a service where you're literally letting strangers into your home or your office, this isn't just a tiny detail, it's a massive signal of safety and security. All right, so making claims is one thing, but the really trustworthy businesses, they take it a step further. They actually anticipate your doubts and then give you proof to back up everything they're saying. Let's see how that works. This is a perfect example. A great company knows what you're probably worried about, so here they pull a question straight from their FAQ that hits on a huge concern for families and anyone with pets. And look at that answer. It's direct, confident, absolutely. But they don't just leave you hanging. They explain why by telling you they use eco-friendly and non-toxic products. That kind of transparency is a huge trust builder. But here's the thing. Giving their own answer is just step one. And boom, right on cue, they follow up with social proof. A real customer, Kevin W., is backing up their claim. This is such a critical move because now it's not the company telling you they're great, it's another customer confirming it for them. And here's another one, this time from Laura R. See how her review reinforces those trust signals we saw earlier? Professional, thorough, on time. This creates this amazing, powerful loop. The company makes a claim, and then a customer pops up to confirm that that claim is actually true. So, after digging into this example, what are the big takeaways for you? Let's boil this all down into a simple, actionable checklist you can use literally anytime you're about to hire a local service. This is your new tool. You just ask yourself, are their services specific? Do they play up that they're local? Do they make you feel confident in their staff? Are they answering your questions before you even have to ask? And probably most important, are other people vouching for them? If you can check off these boxes, you're probably on the right track. So, the next time you're searching, just think about this. Now that you have this checklist, what's the very first trust signal you're going to look for? Because knowing what to look for, that's the real key to hiring with confidence.